Look at his little fingers, they're so cute.
Do you know what kind of monkey it is?
That's the green velvet.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's got it.
Dad, look this way.
That's so close.
Stand by your sweetheart, man.
By your sweetheart.
Look at his little face.
Just a little person. Just a little tiny brain.
And a big sugar tooth.
And a big sugar tooth.
Oh, look how cute he is. What's his name?
He's small. He's good. The bigger ones will bite you, so you got to be very careful. That one's good.
Monkey boy.
Or they'll hold on. They won't let go.
Oh, yes, Billy.
Billy?
Oh my gosh, I love him. He is so stinking cute.
Melinda, look up. So she'll get her picture taken with the monkey, but not us.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, that is so funny.
He's like, where's my treat? He wants his treat.
Where's your home? You already hold
I
it?
already held him.
And Mom?
Go ahead, Ken.
He wants to pet him. Gary, you got to pet him. Pet his bear.
No.
The monkey has you.
That's definitely hair cat. Not fur.
You're done?
Mom?
You're like, I'm done. Oh, it's so sweet. His little face is adorable.
Do you have any dollars on it?
Look this way.
I feel like I'm getting monkey fever.
Okay, let it go. Take it.
Take the can,
Let it go. Let it go. They're saying they're saying only the Americans think this is so neat and pay money for
Does
this.
he actually have teeth?
Yes,
Oh
some
yes.
baby
How old is he?
Dad, look this way.
on you.
Dad.
I knew he was gonna do that.
Oh, I missed it.
I knew he was gonna do that.
How old is
Give
he?
$10 for the pictures for everybody.